Hey, junior scientists. Welcome back to Learn with Mike, where science is fun and super easy to understand. Last time we talked about matter and its properties. Today, we're going to explore the states of matter, solids, liquids, and gases, and how they can magically change from one to another. Okay, imagine this. Matter is made of teeny tiny particles like invisible Lego bricks. The way these particles are arranged and how they move decides whether something is a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Let's start with a solid. Particles in a solid are packed super tightly, like a brick wall. Think of the bricks as the particles and the cement binding them together as the invisible force that keeps them together. That's why solids keep their shape and size. Think of an ice cube, a rock, or your pencil. They don't change shape unless you force them. Now, a liquid. In a liquid, the particles are close together but not locked in place. It's kind of like a bunch of people at a crowded party. Everyone's still in the same room, so the volume stays the same. But they can move around, mingle, and slide past each other. That's why liquids can flow and take the shape of their container. And then we've got gas. Gas particles are super far apart and zooming around like kids running wild on a playground at recess. Gases don't have a fixed shape or volume. They spread out and fill whatever space they're in. Air, steam, and even the bubbles in soda are all gases. Now, here's where the magic happens. Matter can actually change from one state to another, just by adding or removing heat. If you heat a solid, like ice, the particles get more and more excited and start moving faster. Eventually, they break free from their tight pattern, and the solid melts into a liquid. That's called melting. If you keep heating that liquid, the particles zoom around so quickly that some escape into the air. That's evaporation or boiling, just like water bubbling away into steam. But if you go the other way and cool a liquid down, the particles slow down and lock back together. That's freezing, like water turning into ice cubes in your freezer. And if you cool a gas, the particles calm down and come closer together until they form a liquid again. That's condensation. The same process that makes clouds in the sky or water droplets on a cold can. And here's the super cool stuff. Sometimes solids can skip the liquid step and turn right into gas. That's sublimation. Dry ice does this and makes that spooky fog at parties. And the opposite? When gas turns straight into solid, that's deposition. Like frost forming on your window on a chilly morning. Yeah, cleaning that up is not that fun, right? So remember, it's all about the energy. Add heat and particles move faster, remove heat, and they slow down. That's what makes matter change states. And that's the amazing world of matter. Solids, liquids, and gases, and how they can change from one to another just by adding or removing heat. Pretty cool, right? Next time you see ice melting, water boiling, or clouds forming in the sky, you'll know exactly what's happening at the particle level. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching Learn with Mike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a science adventure. And remember, science is happening all around you, so always stay curious.